Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we've got a super cool unit to demonstrate. This is an RCA Mark 8 bookshelf stereo system. It's just an 8-track player with stereo speakers, fits on a bookshelf. It's got a nice bright sound to it. I actually worked on this unit a little bit over 10 years ago, and my work held up fine. It was sent back to have a new motor installed. The original motor finally crapped out, and since the original motor was an AC motor and the circuitry is not designed to handle the circuitry is designed to handle just the audio circuits since it's an AC motor. So that means I had to build a DC power supply to put in there to power the new DC motor. And so we're also going to read. In the world is that strange visual effect I'm experiencing here. Anyway, I've got an email from a customer. About a month ago, I repaired a Pioneer car unit for a customer. That was video number 757, if you want to refer to it. This customer had a chance to listen to his unit, and here is his email to me. Barry, wow, that is some service. A page of reminders on how to keep one's 8-track player functioning properly and making sure the tapes themselves rotate properly. While I've been an 8-track cartridge collector for 30 plus years, the reminders are always helpful. Today I hooked it up, popped in a tape, and shazam! What sound! Too often my tapes used to drag, which may have been a sign the motor was on its last legs, which was. That is true, but not anymore. Smooth is the word with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. Smooth is the word. Good listening times ahead. And to top it all off, a DVD showcasing your fine work. Boom! Incredible! And not to put too fine a point on it, but you truly should be proud of your handiwork. Everything you did is very much, well, everything you did is very much appreciated, to say it verbatim. Really, I can't thank you enough. I am so very, very pleased. Cheers, Andrew. And of course, I won't say his last name. Yeah, I do take some pride in my work. Obviously, I'm proud of what I've accomplished and who I am in the industry. But the primary emotion I feel when I'm doing my job is fear. After you've ripped a customer's unit completely apart and taken all the guts out of it, gone back in with new parts and made dozens of new wiring connections and soldering connections, when it's time to put it on the bench to fire it up, that's fear. That's not pride. It's pride after everything is working. Until then, it's fear. So just so you guys know. So let's go back to this. This unit comes from Marco in Louisville, Texas, and as I mentioned, it's sent back for a motor replacement. So let's pop in the tape and make sure it works. Big ol' RCA Mark III bookshelf. I love this unit. Now you're only going to hear what comes through my headset mic because this is just a unit with speakers and I don't have a way to mic speakers. So we'll rotate the balance control to the left, to the right, just so you know that both channels are working. Let's switch tracks a bunch of times. End of a song. Alrighty, and that's it. That's just a simple test. It's just an 8-track player, volume, tone, and balance. There's no AM or FM to test, no Bluetooth, no nothing. She's ready to go back, and I'm taking the rest of the day off because I did like 9 videos in a 2-day period, 2 videos today, and I think I pretty much cleaned off everything that was waiting for me. So, on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old ancient 8-track player with got a brand new DC motor that's running great. This is a very bright sounding bookshelf unit. I'm kind of surprised that it still sounds as good because it's obviously had some use in the 10 years since I last worked on it. So, thank you guys for watching. watching and listening. Thank you, Marco, for your repeat business from Louisville, Texas. My phone number and website are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute series of questions, because that's what the website's for. The less time I spend on the phone, the more time I can put into your 8-track player to make sure it's going to go the long haul. Like this one went more than 10 years before it needed service again, and what went out wasn't my fault. So that just goes to show you what I can do when I've got the freedom and the space to do it. So thanks for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.